Hey everyone, today I'm going to review the ReelShort app to help you decide if it's worth your time. Make sure to stick around till the very end to get the full scoop on its features, pros and cons, so you can see if it's the right fit for you. Let's get started. So what is ReelShort? This app is a fantastic platform where you can watch a wide range of dramas from romances to thrilling mysteries. It is designed for anyone who loves storytelling in all its form. So let's talk about the user interface. ReelShort has a sleek design that makes it easy to find and watch your favorite dramas. And when you open the app, you are greeted with a vibrant selection of featured dramas, trending shows, and personalized recommendations. You can browse through various genres, including romance, action, and comedy. There's also a search feature that helps you quickly find specific titles. Now let's get into watching experience. With just a tap, you can start streaming your chosen drama. ReelShort provide high quality video playback, ensuring that you don't miss a single moment of the action. What I love about the app is it often features subtitles in multiple languages, making it accessible for a global audience. You can also easily adjust playback speed or save your favorite episodes to watch later. Now let's break down some pros and cons of the ReelShort app. This app provides a wide variety of genres and titles to choose from. You can enjoy smooth playback and clear visuals, and the app provides easy navigation, makes finding show a breeze. Now let's discuss some cons of the ReelShort app. Some dramas may require a subscription, and ads may interrupt your viewing experience depending on the content you choose. Overall, the ReelShort app is a fantastic choice for anyone who loves immersing themselves in captivating dramas. With its user-friendly design, diverse content, and community features, it is perfect for both casual viewers and die-hard drama fans. If you're looking for a new way to enjoy your favorite drama, I highly recommend giving ReelShort a try. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.